Dear brothers and sisters, we live in a community. We have neighbors on our right, we have neighbors on our left, and we have neighbors in front, and we have neighbors in the back. But what are their rights? Prophet ﷺ said in hadith number 8.43 in Bukhari that Jibreel alayhi salam continued to recommend me about treating the neighbors kindly and politely, so much so that I thought he would order me to make them as my heirs or as a part of my inheritance. This is the hadith. What do we understand? What do we learn? We have to be kind, we have to be polite to our neighbors regardless of their religion. If they are not Muslim, then we should be extra polite and kind to show them what our religion teaches us. Our religion, what make us to be nice, make us to be kind, make us to be polite, so that our neighbors who are non-Muslim, they may accept Islam. Thank you.
Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin